Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 13T Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. At the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter passwords and security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got three types of screen locks: pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with password. Set your password containing at least 4 characters. Now use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select PIN number, and to create it enter 4 to 16 numbers. And next, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's go to fingerprint unlock, add fingerprint, draw your pattern or enter other password, and now tap the fingerprint sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. And now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select face unlock, enter your pattern, and now scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.